Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Norliana Ashikin binti Nur Adnan and I am from University Science Islam Malaysia. My research topic is factors influencing youngsters' personal branding on social media. For background studies, according to Statista, 62.6% of the world's population were social media users. Social media platforms have enabled ordinary individuals, particularly youngsters, to brand themselves without formal marketing training. For example, of the social media platform is YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X or Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook. This graph shows the most popular social networks worldwide as of February 2025, ranked by number of monthly active users in millions. So here we can see that top 3 for most popular social networks is Facebook and YouTube, and the third one is Instagram. There are 3 problem statements. The first one is to address gap in academic literature on youngsters' personal branding on social media. The second problem statement is exploring content strategies for successful personal branding on social media. And the third one is reconceptualizing personal branding beyond professional advancement on social media. There are 5 research objectives and research questions. The first one is to investigate the relationship between self-expression and youngsters' personal branding on social media. The second one is to identify that social interaction could influence youngsters' personal branding on social media. The third one is to analyze if the personal value influence youngsters' personal branding on social media. The fourth one is to determine that audience reach could influence youngsters' personal branding on social media. And the last one is to investigate if trend adaptation could influence youngsters' personal branding on social media. For research question number 1 is there any relationship between self-expression and youngsters' personal branding on social media? Number 2 is there any relationship between social interaction and youngsters' personal branding on social media? The third one is there any relationship between personal value and youngsters' personal branding on social media? The fourth one is there any relationship between audience reach and youngsters' personal branding on social media? And the last one is there any relationship between trend adaptation and youngsters' personal branding on social media? For literature review, I am using Theory of Technology Acceptance Model, TAM. So it is an information system that explain how to encourage and persuade users to accept, embrace and utilize new technology. The dependent variable for this research is personal branding. So what is personal branding actually? Personal branding is a new marketing concept related to the marketing strategies that a person adopt in order to promote his or her major personal characteristic. It is a process that requires an ongoing commitment through which the brand image is nurtured on a continual basis. Developing a personal brand is an ongoing process that involves interaction with others in face-to-face communication or online. There are 5 independent variables. The first one is self-expression. It is the urge or needs to express himself or herself. The second one is social interaction. It refers to the exchange between individuals, whether through online or offline platform, using verbal or non-verbal communication. The third one is personal value. Personal value is a special blend of talents, expertise and skills that each person possesses. The fourth one is audience reach. It is the ability to build a large and engaged audience and also increase oneself online visibility. The last one is trend adaptation. It is the tendency to adapt to popular social media trends and cultural influence can impact and present their personal brand value. So this is my conceptual framework for this research. The dependent variable is personal branding, and the independent variable, there are 5, which is self-expression, social interaction, personal value, audience reach, and trend adaptation. The hypothesis for this research is all of the independent variable positively influence youngsters' personal branding on social media. For research design, I am using quantitative method, which is questionnaire, and for data collection method, my primary data is from questionnaire and my secondary data is from journal article and searching paper from library. So for sampling design, my target population is youngsters who age 18 to 26 years old. My sampling frame is youngsters who actively involved in social media. And for my sampling technique, I am using convenience sampling, and also for sample size, I am using 384 respondents based on Craigie and Morgan method. I am expecting all of the research objective result to be positive. From 5 hypotheses, there are 3 hypotheses that are supported and only 2 hypotheses that are not supported. So we go for the supported one first. The first one is social interaction. This research suggests that recommendations, opinions, and behaviors within their social circles play a crucial role in shaping their decision to adopt personal branding on social media. Youngsters are highly influenced by their peers, family, and social networks. This finding is consistent with research by Venkatesh 2003, who emphasized the importance of social influence in technology adoption. The second hypothesis that are supported is audience reach. This suggests that a larger audience reach enhance visibility and influence, thereby strengthening one's personal brand. Social media platforms thrive on trends ranging from viral challenge and hashtags to evolving aesthetic and content formats. By effectively integrating this trend into their personal branding strategies, individuals can capture audience attention and boost engagement and enhance their online presence. The third hypothesis that are supported is trend adaptation. These variables enables them to remain relevant and engaging in the fast-paced digital environment. By staying updated with current trends, they can create content that resonates with their audience, thereby enhancing their personal brand's visibility and appeal. This approach not only helps them attract more followers, but also position them as an active participants in the digital community. Consistently leveraging trends allows them to align their personal brands with their target audience, finds current and engaging, thus fostering stronger connections. It signals an individual's ability to stay current and creative with the audience, which is essential for maintaining a competitive edge in this digital space. Now, let's move to the hypotheses that are not supported. So, the first hypothesis that are not supported is self-expression. Research on the relationship between self-expression and personal branding among youngsters on social media actually has produced mixed results. The varying impact of self-expression could be due to difference in cultural context, individual goals, or the specific social media platforms used. Therefore, while this variable can be an important component of personal branding, its significance may vary depending on factors, and it might not be the primary driver of personal branding success among youngsters on social media. The last hypothesis that are not supported is personal value. The finding of this study indicates that youngsters' personal branding on social media is not greatly influenced by personal value. Research on personal branding in the digital era emphasizes the importance of social media strategies for career advancement. The study highlights that while self-expression and personal values are integral to an individual's identity, they do not significantly influence personal branding outcomes compared to other factors, according to Kanasen 2024. So here the conclusion is, this study suggests that personal branding is more about external perception and engagement rather than internal values. Thank you.